So this is our 4 kg furnace. As you can see, it's sturdy. It's the KO wool that we put in. KO wool for the lid, burners in the inside, a pretty solid lid and solid bottom, high pressure regulator, hose, safety goggles, safety gloves, fire starters. Okay, there's the tongs, you can't see it's wrapped up there, ready to go. But that's the kit. Obviously the crucible sent straight from the suppliers, and this kit is now available for 4,250, and you can melt copper, gold, silver, any metal. It reaches a temperature of 1950 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty easy to handle and to use. So it's a wonderful item to use and to do castings with as well. So contact us on backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. The email address is backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. Thank you.